Okay, simultaneous equation is not just solved for fancy, it is applied in real life. Supposing a seller or a business person went to the market and on a very good day he bought 7 cows and 5 goats and the cost is 460 naira. The next day he went to the market and found out that if he is to buy 3 cows and 4 goats, he's going to pay 290 naira. Now, as a business person, he needs to sell it. You need to set a price for a goat and a cow so that he will be able to set a particular price that will make him to maximize a profit. Now, simultaneous equation is a solution to this kind of trouble encountered in businesses. Okay, so now we are going to use simultaneous equation to now know the individual price of a cow and a goat, because if you don't know the cost price of a cow and a goat, you cannot maximize a profit. You might make a loss, or you have a very a high gain, which is a sin. All right, so now let us use C to represent cow and G to represent goats. On the first day, he bought 7 cows, so I'll have 7C, 7 cows, and what again? 5 goats, so 5G at a price of 460 naira. The next day, he bought 3 cows, so we have 3C and the 4 goats. 4 goats at a price of 290 naira. This is equation 1 and this is equation 2. You've now seen that we've generated a simultaneous equation, which you can either use the elimination method or substitution method to solve. To use elimination method, you must ensure that the variable you want to eliminate are having the same or equal coefficients. Now, let me eliminate C, for instance. To eliminate C, I have to multiply equation 1 by 3 and multiply equation 2 by 7. The reason I swap their coefficients so that they will become equal. Now, when I multiply 3 by 7C, I'll have 21C plus 3 times 5G will give us 15G, and 3 times 460 is 1380. Then here, 7 times 3C will give us 21C. 7 times 4G will give us 28G, and 7 times 290 is 14 plus 630 is 2030. That is what it will give us, 2030. Then this equation and this coefficient and this coefficient are unequal, you can subtract. That is why it is called elimination method. Find what you are going to do to one of the variables so that it will go away. Okay, so 21 minus 21 has gone, it has been eliminated. Then 15G minus 28G will give us minus 13G, and let's subtract 2030 minus 1380. This is 0. 13 minus 8 is will give us 5. This is left with 9 because we borrowed 1 from here to put here 10, and from the 10 you borrow 1 to put here is 13. So 9 minus 3 will give us 6. But because small one is subtracting the big one, it's gonna be negative 650. So to get the value of G, I will divide both sides by negative 13, the coefficient of G. 13 we cancel 13, negative cancel negative, so our G will be equivalent. If I divide 65 by 13, I'm going to get 5. If I divide this by 0, I'm going to get 0. So the value of a single goat is 50 naira. Let us now get the value of a cow. Okay, having found out that the value of a goat G is equal to 50 naira, so wherever I see G in either equation 1 or equation 2, I will plug in 50 there. So let's use equation 2. So I will say substitute G equal to 50 in equation 2. And look at equation 2, 3C plus 4. C in G, I will put 50 equals 290. So 3C will now be 4 times 50 will give us 200 equals 290. So 3C will now be 290 minus 200. When I subtract, I will have 90. So to get the value of C, I'll divide both sides by 3. So C will give me 30. So the value of a cow is 30 naira, while the value of a goat is 50 naira. This is so funny. How come a goat is now costlier than a cow? Maybe the cows are too tender and the goats are so mature. Okay, it is possible for a goat to be more expensive than a cow. Maybe the cow is sick. Thank you so much. If you enjoyed what you watched, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow my Facebook page and the TikTok account at Esomnofu Online Maths. Thank you.